In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keyframe in DaVinci Resolve. Keyframing is one of the most useful tools in video editing because it lets you create changes over time. That means instead of keeping a setting static, you can animate it. For example, you can gradually move a clip, change its size, adjust opacity, or create all kinds of effects by setting different values at different points in your timeline. To get started, go into your timeline and select the clip you want to work with. This is important because DaVinci Resolve only shows the adjustable settings for the clip you currently have selected. Once your clip is highlighted, move your attention to the top right corner of the interface and click on the Inspector tab. This is where you'll find many of the controls that can be animated. Inside the inspector, you'll notice small diamond icons next to different settings. Those diamonds are the keyframe controls. If you want to animate a specific setting, click the diamond next to it. As soon as you do that, DaVinci Resolve places a keyframe at the current position of the playhead. In simple terms, you're telling the software to remember that exact value at that exact moment in time. Now, if you move forward or backward in the timeline, you'll notice that the diamond is no longer highlighted in the same way. That's normal. It simply means your playhead is no longer sitting on the keyframe you just created. This is an important part of understanding how keyframes work. A keyframe only exists at a specific frame or moment on the timeline. From here, move the playhead to a different point in your clip. Then, click the keyframe diamond again for that same setting to create another keyframe at the new position. This gives you multiple points for DaVinci Resolve to follow. The software will then animate the change between those keyframes automatically, which is what creates motion, transitions, or effect changes over time. As you continue doing this, you can build animations and effects in a very controlled way. The main idea is simple: set one keyframe at one point, move somewhere else in the timeline, and set another keyframe. That's the foundation of keyframing in DaVinci Resolve. A helpful tip is to keep an eye on your playhead position before adding each keyframe, because placement matters. Small timeline changes can affect how smooth or fast your animation feels. Once you understand that relationship between timing and keyframes, you'll have much more control over your edits.